the brakes are on. So in August, the bleeding stopped, the slide stopped, and prices actually stabilized just 0.3% higher than the month before. That stopped the slide that happened of declining prices from February through to July. So overall, prices are still down over $255,000 since the high point in February. And yes, rapidly rising interest rates have definitely been a significant contributing factor. That being said, when you think about it long term, real estate is still the greatest wealth builder that most people have in their lifetime. You still need a place to live, so getting into the market sooner always makes sense than getting into it later. Had you invested back in February, you would have saved over 50% of the carrying costs. So even though your prices were higher, your actually monthly payment is lower. You're still going to enjoy that for another 4.5 years, minimum, right? And you've got all that time that you're living there. So otherwise, what is the alternative? Renting? Think about it. Renters subsidize landlords. And it's not half and half, it's 2/3, 1/3. Let me explain that. Approximately 2/3 of Canadians that can own a home do. The other third rent from them. So which group do you want to be part of if you want to have more financial freedom? It's obvious. You want to be part of the ownership group, right? So keep in mind that interest rates are still scheduled to keep on going up for the next 2 years. So it's better to get into the market sooner rather than later and have a place to live, because ultimately over the next 10 years that place is still going to increase significantly in value because of the shortage of good homes in the marketplace. To find out more, contact us. And remember always to ask us about our risk reversal guarantees for you, whether you're selling or buying. Talk soon. Thank you.